ay luyok na naman. Ay kita nyo yan. Ang kape pa. Chicken na naman. Sarap niyan. This is my friend James. We eat together. Sit down bro. Coffee. Take. How about you? Buy something.
So
you eat already.
I wanna eat, but I'm trying to lose weight.
And then you don't want to eat anymore.
Yeah, thinking what should I eat?
Huh?
I wanna eat a small amount.
This one, share now. You see, that's why I take this one. Oh.
Eat. Today you're going, right?
Today. I'm going back Philippines. Bro, what do you want?
Huh?
What do you want in Philippines?
Cake.
Cake. Oh no, the bread one, right?
Bread, not a cake. The bread. No. You tell me like what? Cheese. Cheese
bread. Yeah.
Cheese bread or cheesecake. So, next time we see we go and eat in this restaurant.
Me also, I want to eat this one.
Yeah.
Then next time.
Hey, people think expensive. When I check the menu, it's not that expensive.
I haven't tried this one.
Yeah.
If we do it together, same break, we eat this one, Okay. But this one nice. I like this.
That's how I used to eat. But very full after it.
Yeah. Then every time I bite to them, they give more rice extra.
Yeah, I go and buy coffee.
What time is your flight?
Later. Still have time.
My flight is 11:10.
11:10. Mine is. Oh, your flight 11:10. Which gate?
F42.
Okay. Mine is 11:40. But then I go and drink first, so that later we can. I go and drink.
This one.
Go buy and drink.
Okay.
You want anything?
No. I have already there. Masarap lang ang kaya nito. Ano? You cannot decide
Later.
You just say hi to my vlog. Hey, this is my best friend, Myanmar. Everyday drink.
Everyday drink.
Three minutes enough. After this, we smoke. No, you know that's why I buy. I want to bring Philippines. I give to
Why you don't buy when you go?
Because sometimes they want one pack only. That's why I buy.
Over there very cheap.
I cigarette only 2 lang. Okay, mga boss, bye-bye na. See you. Bye, bro.